Today, we are going to be showing you how to fit the FLOWASSIST Seal from Ostoform with a one-piece pouch. Step number 1, wash your hands and make sure that the skin around your stoma is clean and dry before fitting the FLOWASSIST Seal. Remove the seal from its packaging, but before removing the liners, make sure to warm up the seal within your hands for about 30 seconds. Step number 2, you can fit the FLOWASSIST Seal in two different ways. Number 1, you can place it directly on your skin, and number 2, you can place it onto your flange prior to placing it onto your body. Let's talk about option number 1, fitting directly to the skin first. Position the FLOWASSIST spout so it's below the stoma or rotate it to align with the opening of your stoma. Say your stoma opening is at 7 on a clock, you can rotate the FLOWASSIST Seal to match that. The easiest way to accomplish this is by holding the FLOWASSIST spout. Step number 3, as you apply the seal, make sure that the ends overlap. This allows for the closest possible fit to your stoma. Step number 4, cut the opening of your pouch to fit your stoma. Ensure that the FLOWASSIST spout is fully inside the pouch or through the base plate opening. Before fully pressing it down, ensure to pull the flange upwards to fill the slot underneath the spout. Step number 5, apply light pressure around the stoma to achieve secure adhesion. You can do this by putting 1 or 2 fingertips right around the stoma and gently pressing down. If your pouch has a viewing window, or your pouch is clear, or you haven't placed your bag onto the flange yet, take a look to make sure that none of the seal adhesive is showing. If any of it's exposed and you haven't fully pressed your flange down yet, this is the time to try and adjust it a little bit to fully cover that adhesive. Let's talk about option 2, fitting the FLOWASSIST Seal to your pouch first. After completing step number 1 of washing your hands and making sure that your peristomal skin is clean and dry, you can move on to step 2. Cut the pouch opening to fit your stoma, remove the top liner, then insert the FLOWASSIST spout through the pouch opening in a position that aligns with the opening of your stoma. Attach the seal to the adhesive side of the pouch, pressing it down evenly around the opening. Overlap the tabs to complete the seal, ensuring no adhesive is visible from the front. Step 3. Once securely attached to the pouch, apply the pouch to your skin as usual, ensuring the spout is positioned below the opening of your stoma. Press gently around the stoma to seal it properly. Those are the 2 different ways that you can ensure your FLOWASSIST Seal is fitted properly to your one-piece pouch.